Okay, so this COA assistant, that's what J. Mark has been calling it, or that's what you referred to it as, no? It's in the public domain. I mean, it's free. I mean, kung may nakikinig ngayon na journalism student or anyone who wants to try out the tool, it's just out there, no? It's a search lang, and makaka-access ang tao.
It's just out there. When we were using it for the Marikina COA report, yung language nung assistant on the conclusive side. So of course, as journalist, medyo ano tayo doon, ano, dapat mag-iingat because we haven't even seen the record itself, ano, at ano yung pinagbasihan noong COA assistant. So siguro yun nga, we know that this is public, pero si J. Mark Tordesillas rin naman very mindful din siya na yun nga, pagka gagamitin, of course, we also have to check the original file, ano.